Hello and welcome. I've got here today to show you this Sunlight T68XX camper van. This will cost 78,640, 739 centimeters in length. It comes with a bed up there which will drop down manually. It's got a large sitting area, dinette or semi-dinette rather, a large table, step up there. I don't like steps, and there's a step there. I like steps at the back even less, but you'll notice how it opens up as it does. We've got the very large bed, which can become even larger. This will pull out here to create a bed. We've got storage under the bed, and we've got storage at the back, and we've got these daft ledges up here, which in my opinion should have fronts to them. Here we will find the shower, so it's been put back as it is like that. That's how it moves. But if you want the thing to be used as a shower, obviously you take the duct board here out. In fact, there's two duct boards. There's a duct board itself under this, and this is really the floor. So the floor would come out and allow the doors to open. In here we'll find the toilet. This will close there, so the sort of privacy. It's got this sink in there. Got a daft ledge again. You know, can't store things up there because they'll just fall off as soon as the vehicle moves. I think people build these things should try using them, and then they would know the reality of what actually happens. I've got two burners here. We've got drawers below. We've got a very long cupboard here, and here we've got the sink. There's also a bit of storage space there. And there's the two burners. It's got a fat fridge, but you know, it fits in quite well, so that's okay. May look a bit old-fashioned, but it works in this case, so that's okay. Right, this is how the bed comes down, like this. Push this thing in. Let's see if we can hear it. Click. And this comes down. That gives you an idea of the size of the bed. Note above, we've got the skylight, so you can allow air to come in on a hot summer night. You've got these things here, that there's a net under the bed, and the net will attach to those, stop you falling out when you've had a bit too much to drink. We've got storage also on either side up there. The colour scheme, I like green as a colour, but for some things it doesn't work. One of which is as a suit. It looks pretty daft, and it also, I think, looks pretty daft for upholstery in the van. Despite that, I would say that green is probably if I have a favourite colour, it would be green, but I don't think it looks right in here. Okay, I've given you a quick overview. Let's go out, have a look outside. There's a Muscatiera in the door. There it is. There's a window in the door. I like a window in the door. There's a place to keep the dog's lead. And here we can have a look at this large garage. There's a door at the other side, smaller than this side, but at least there's a door in it. It'll take 150 kilos of weight maximum. And there you go. There's an overview of the Sunlight T68XX. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope you found it interesting. And there's a lot more vehicles out, links to this vehicle in previous editions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.